Let's look at how to rationalize the denominator of a surd. Let's see. Say for instance you have something like this. Say 1 over the square root of 2. We don't like surd to be at the denominator. It's forbidden. It's not cool. Doesn't look sweet. So rationalizing means we don't want surd at the denominator. To remove surd from the denominator, what you need to do is to multiply it by whatever that is here, like this. How? I have not changed this. This still remains the same, because if you look at this divided by this is 1. And 1 multiplied by this, we are still going to have 1 over the square root of 2. That is to say, this here is 1. That is, this over this multiplied by 1 equals to 1 over the square root of 2. So by putting this, I have not actually changed anything. So I'm not changing the original equation. Okay? So this will help me to rationalize the denominator. So this multiplied by this, you agree with me, is the square root of 2. Now, this and this can come together as 2 multiplied by 2. If there is multiplication between two surds, they can come together under the same roof. Okay? This, the square root of 4 equals to 2. And you agree with me that the square root of 4 is 2. So now, we have this. There is no more surd at the denominator. So we have rationalized this surd now. This is what? Pleasant. It's sweet. Because we don't want surd to be the carrier, to carry anything. Numbers, ordinary numbers, integers should be the carrier. Why surd is enjoying itself at the numerator. Okay? You are given this, for instance. You need to rationalize the denominator before you do anything. Just multiply the numerator by this and the denominator by this, just like this. The same thing up and down. No issue. So now, you can see this multiplied by this is 5 square root of 2 over, this multiplied by this is 2 multiplied by 2. And you agree with me, this is 4. This is 2. That is the answer, okay? And if you want to work on it further, you can find the square root of this by saying this multiplied by, that is, you need to use calculator. But we are not here for that, okay? What if you have 6? You agree with me? This will be 6 over square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 over square root of 3. Okay? Which is 6 square root of 3 over square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 equals to 6 square root of 3 over square root of 9. Which is equal to 6 square root of 3 over 3. As you can see, there is no need for us to waste our time here. Once you see similar surd coming together to multiply, something like this. A. Just take A. A is the answer. Or this and this. Just take 7. 7 is the answer, okay? No need to actually waste our time calculating. Just because we are starting, that is the reason why I'm doing this. So, from here, from onset, I should just take here 3. It's okay like that. But I'm just showing you how we come about the 3. So here is 1, here is 2. That is 2 square root of 3. Okay? Now let's also look at 7 over square root of 2. You agree with me? Just rationalize this. That is 7 square root of 2 over 2. You leave it like this. If you want to use calculator to find this, you do that. So up from now on, rationality denominator will not be a problem for you for these simple surd questions. Okay?